Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at another beautiful Rolex that we have in our collection. This is a 26mm Rolex Lady Datejust. This is a newer style of Rolex watch, so it's got the hidden crown clasp on the Jubilee bracelet, so that means it looks great from every single angle on your wrist, no matter where you're looking at it. It's also got the highly reflective lugs and the 100% Rolex factory diamond bezel. I think this is so gorgeous. It's a beautiful centerpiece to this watch, and it just catches and reflects the light in a really charming and elegant way. It's also got a white dial and diamond hour markers. And I love white dials on Rolex watches. I think it really wakes up the watch, and I think it makes it perfect for casual situations, but the diamonds definitely mean that you can dress it up and wear it to more fancy occasions, especially if you pair it with other pieces of diamond jewelry or other silver jewelry as well. All in all, I think this is a fabulous little watch. I think it would be perfect for someone who has a lot of silver pieces or diamond pieces already in their life and would like to add a beautiful Rolex watch to their jewelry collection. So if you or someone that you love is looking for a Lady Rolex watch, you need to check out our entire collection right now at SwissWatchExpo.com.